Hello and welcome to the Astronauts to Zippers video series. This is Level 1, the introductory lesson. Your teacher will now guide you through the lesson. Feel free to pause or repeat sections of the video whenever you need to. And remember, we're proud of you for working hard and learning to read, write, and spell.
All letters have a name. All letters have a name. All letters have a sound which may not be the same. Sing the names and sounds with me. Soon you'll know them all, you'll see. Sing the names and sounds with me. Soon you'll know them all, you'll see.
Sometimes we call the letters ABCs or the alphabet. Every letter can be written as a small letter or a capital letter. The letters on this chart are written with the small letters or lowercase letter first because when we are reading or writing, you will use the small letters most of the time. Everything that we read or write is made up of letters. We put the letters together and make words. A word may have only one letter or it may have many letters. Reading is easy because reading is just talk written down. The first step to learning to read and write is to learn the name of each of the letters. If you are sure you already know the names of all the letters, you may skip this song in the future lessons. But for now, let's sing along, just for fun. Point to each letter as you sing the name of that letter.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
You can see that in this chart, each box has the small and the capital letters and 3 pictures. In the chart with the letter, we have a picture of an astronaut, and in the box with the Z, there is a picture of a zipper. The name of this program is Astronauts to Zippers, because we will sing from astronaut to zipper. You know that each letter has a name, but each letter also has a sound. We're going to learn another song that will help you to remember the sound of each letter. Even if you can already read and write, and you think you know the sounds, it will be fun to sing along. And be sure you have every sound correct. Point to the letters and the pictures as you sing along. Here we go.
All letters have a name. All letters have a name. All letters have a sound which may not be the same. Sing the names and sounds with me. Soon you'll know them all, you'll see. Sing the names and sounds with me. Soon you'll know them all, you'll see. A says an accent astronaut. B says bus, bed and bumblebee. C says cat, cup and coconut. D says door, doll and dinosaur. E says egg, elf and elephant. F says fork, foot and flying fish. G says goose, girl and golden gate. H says hat, house and helping hand. I says inch, worm and instruments. J says jar, jet and jumping jack. K says key, kite and kangaroo. L says lock, lamp and lemonade. M says moon, milk and microphone. N says nest, nut and nightingale. O says Oz, ox and ox Q says queen, quilt and quarter horse. R says ring, rake and radio. S says seal, sun and saxophone. T says tent, tire and telephone. U says us, up and undershirt. V says van, vase and valentine. W says watch, web and waterfall. X says six, fox and music box. Y says yam, yak and yellow yarn. Z says zig, zag and zipper too. All letters have a name. All letters have a name. All letters have a sound, which may not be the same. I sang the names and sounds for you, so now you should know them too. Sang the names and sounds for you, so now you should know them too.
Now I want you to point to each letter as the voice on the recording says the sound of that letter. Here we go.
A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says N says N. O says Ah. P says P. Q says Qu. R says R. S says S. T says T. U says V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. Z says Z.
Before you begin the lessons, you will need to order the workbooks. There is a workbook for each of the 6 levels. These are absolutely necessary for you to learn to write and spell the new words and to be sure that you are understanding what you read. These can be ordered for a very nominal fee, just enough to cover the production and shipping costs. Please have someone assist you if necessary in getting the workbooks ordered off of our website. And please let us know if you cannot afford to pay for the workbooks, and we will arrange for you to get these free of charge. We also have some very inexpensive games on the website. While these are not essential to the program, you may want to consider ordering these as they are designed to reinforce the lessons. As you progress through the lessons, in addition to a pencil, you are going to need crayons, scissors, and paste. It would also be a good idea to have a tablet or a notebook with lines just to practice your writing. Our lessons on the internet are designed for students of all ages to use independently. However, if you are a homeschool or school teacher, especially if you are teaching young students, they may need more direction and support. Thank you very much.
Congratulations! You've completed the introductory lesson of Level 1. You may review it as many times as you wish. When you're ready to continue with the next lesson, select Video Lesson 1 of Level 1, which is labeled Astronauts to Zippers Video Number 2.